Yeah, well I don't know King Lazarus. Plead my cause. Live studio session. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord. Plead my cause, oh Lord. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, them a fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, them a fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. Man a steel, man a lightning. When thunder a clap, it sound frightening. Black rain fall, it not fall lightly. When you...
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Well, today I want to talk about this guy right here. His name is Waldie, and as you can see, it's drugs, gun, dirty money, homicidal psychopath, and criminality and evil. I've been doing some research into this dude right here, Waldie from Cockburn Bay. And the kind of stuff that I'm digging up makes your head spin. Listen, this is something out of a chilling homicidal thriller. You ever watch something like Silence of the Lambs? I think this guy is a model in the Silence of the Lambs. The stuff that I'm hearing, it make the hair at the back of my neck stand up. I want you guys to follow me on this equation. Now I'm doing my research, and I came across this, and I'm just packaging it because all this is out there in cyberspace. Now, this was one of the first video I did on my channel, and it kind of bust the channel and thing. But this video here is a letter that was written on Pinkwall by an anonymous person, and they kind of lay out some details, some really shocking details, what happened within this guy's crew, Waldie. But over the years, there have been many different theories of what happened to this guy. I'm gonna jump in and out. Like I said, it's an old video, but I'm kind of reviving it and interjecting when I think it's possible. So sit back and listen to some of this, and then I'm gonna come back in and give my little 2 cents. And let's go. Word of mouth, this, that, whatever. But I came across this in cyber, and it goes. I want you guys to follow me. From 77 million, and this is quoted that I get off this message board, this website. It says, from 77 million, Waldie from Portmore, son, Waldie from Portmore, son Ramdial and father Ramdial. The person goes on to say, Waldie, you never did ever kill all of them man there and get away with it. This is what I am quoting. You use the policeman man that the policeman killed the week before Saturday and killed the man then. So pretty much they're saying they used the policeman and the one that the police killed the week before Saturday and killed the man then. So I guess he must have sent some people on the ops and then kill the man then after the ops. Yo, this is spine chilling. Now, it says the same police that is on your payroll when Father Randall find out so you killed him son, a $20 million in give the police them to kill you. You heard that? So, after Randall found out what's going on with his son, he gave the police $20 million to get rid of Waldie. Wow! Now, the person goes on to say, but because you have 3/4 of the police then on your payroll, one come back and spill to you about the order, so you send them to go kill Mr. Randall. It goes on to say, Qualo never did ever make you get away with that one, cause them did hold the car after you killed the son, because that car was registered in your brother's name and is a police and a one you hitman did in there. I'm a little bit confused right there. It says Qualo did ever make you never make you get away with that one, because they did hold the car after you killed the son. Because that car was registered in your brother's name and the police and a one man did it, so you have a one man do that. The police then let them go because of the police badge all corrupt. So apparently a police was involved and police stopped them, but because a policeman was involved, then let them go. So now you tell me if that's not chilling. I don't know what is. Man, I'm reading this thing and I'm getting chills. Now, the user went on to say, the same police then, when you trust, turn round back and take the order to take you out. You see how the RAV4 drive up on you neatly when you switch cars and start to put it on you. The amount of gun that Uno did have with Uno, and no none could fire, saying like how you use police, kill bully, and map physics the same way you use them. Now, from the rumors going around, them say, couple rumors say Dangles set up Waldie as well as other things. Now, Dangles and Waldie was very close, and me hear say a Dangles set up Waldie and him use Waldie card. Waldie had a lot of police friends and police connection. But I also feel Waldie was eliminated by the big man at Jamaica. And you know who the big man is. The user goes on to say, Pinkwall, you are next. You sell out bully for $3 million on a bike. Your days is numbered, cause remember, say, nobody a pen no rate you, and because Waldie, while you is still alive, Waldie taking drugs money and corrupt the youth them. Now, if this is not something out of a thrilling crime, I don't know what is. Man, this is crazy. But follow this equation, you know. Because with this dude Waldie, now I've also heard through the grapevine that he was some kind of contractor and he was stealing people's money when they give it to him for homes. You understand? Between him and you have the one named one British media was doing that. So this guy Waldie was a homicidal killer. This dude is one of the coolest thing come out of Jamaica, because it seems like he's nice and low key, but very deadly. You could tell him like, no Waldie, I'm not giving you that, and then right away he plan a murder. How can you deal with somebody like that? I am not making this up. This is what's out there. Let's move on. Now, I'm gonna read the last piece, what this viewer is saying, and then give my commentary. Now, this is chilling. Listen to this. It goes on to say, the amount of killing that gone for the last 4 months, are you responsible for it? Now, that's Waldie. The triple shooting in Mongoose Town, the Content and Wellwar. If those of you know where Content is, Content Avenue is on Walton Park Road when you pass Bay Farm Road. It's more closer to Torrent Drive. You pass St. Jude's Primary School and you go up. You pass 77 Lane and Content is up in that area. So that's how wide-scale this man thing is. So it goes on. The anonymous person went on to say about the police for dead for your brother. Why don't you tell your cronies, say, when the Ralph Ford Jack Uno and ask your name and you tell them, and when them ask your brother feel name and him tell them start to get put on. Remember? It goes on to say the police them never want to kill you, so them just fire some shot at you and the car for pity up it. We not keep big meeting to kill off back police. I know we not go dead fast. And they say you keep big meeting to kill off back police, but no, we not go dead fast. Waldie, one go join bully them in a hell, cause them I wait for a long time. Enough people are rejoice, but then have to keep it under hush hush. Gully man them can sleep in peace now. Waldie. Now, just reading this sent chill down my spine. I don't know where this person get this information from and post it, but it seems like he was listening to a conversation.
I just want to be clear. You see all of this thing, the Waldie strawberry letter, it's on Pinkwall. And I think this was made before certain things go down with him. But it's just so sad that so many of our black men who could have made a difference from, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. We can start Willie Agard, Bob, and it go right back. Every day you hear people that talk about it, the vloggers them, and it just seems like it's a sickness and there is no coming back from it. Just imagine if all of them youth who get murdered off did put all of them resource in a positive way for the country, how we would be. It's mind-boggling to me because I don't care if anybody say Jamaica is a nice place to live and this and that. When you look at the unsolved murders that goes on in that place and the kind of murders, it's like a third world country with first world problem. It's really, really serious and very dangerous. I don't know how the government has to stop this, and you know, we can blame the government all we want, but at the end of the day, the responsibility lies within us as citizens of Jamaica to try and make the place better, because I am not saying we can stop crime and murder and them thing there, but I just don't understand the killing and the unsolved murders. If you go into the history of unsolved murders, it will make your mind boggle. And like, I watched an interview with Muta Baruka interviewing Trinity, the ex-police, and the first thing him say you have to start with is the police then, and also we have to build more prisons, because I don't know where we're gonna put all these people. Now I'm gonna wrap it up, so when I remember fit, like, share, subscribe. But it is just very sad and heart-wrenching. We have a beautiful country, we have beautiful people, we have progressive people, but yet still, you know, we are still stuck in the rut. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we have to do something and do it real fast. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, click, and let me have. I'm out. I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.